There's a beach in France, in the south of France to be specific, that is banning tourists from taking selfies. Apparently, there were a number of people taking obnoxious selfies, showing off their swimwear or their sexy bodies. And so they want to make it a more lavish, posh place where selfies just are not allowed. In fact, one representative for this particular beach says the following: "We want people to be able to enjoy our exclusive beach in the moment, not spending the majority of their time bragging to their friends and family back home." What do you guys think about this?
I think that level of concern about the psychological state of the person on your beach goes beyond your responsibility as a beach owner.
Yes, I absolutely agree with you. Look, I think selfies are funny. You know what I mean? Like, I don't get offended when I see selfies in my feed. Like, some people get freaking offended. Like, they don't like it, they'll make fun of it, whatever. They're fucking selfies. Like, let people do whatever they want to do. They like the way they look. They want to take like a background picture of where they are. Let them have fun. But remember, I scored really high on the narcissism test, so I'm kind of defending myself
Well,
here.
you keep saying they, you mean I.
The royal they, John.
I've taken a selfie or two. Follow me, Anna Kasparian TYT. That's my Instagram handle.
Well, also, I like that they call selfies braggies, because
Yes.
let's just call them what they are. And I respect the gesture of being like, don't be an asshole. Like, enjoy the moment. And you know what? If you can't do it, if you're going to be a child about it, then we'll treat you like a child.
Yeah.
No, it is now a rule. Enjoy yourself, asshole. But then it's like, is it really their job? But I gotta respect it. Like, I don't know. I'm okay with it.
There's the punitive thing of like, we don't want you doing it, but there's also, you can look at it from the other angle where they seem to be saying, we want you to enjoy yourself. We don't think you will enjoy yourself if you're doing this. And again, goes beyond their responsibility. But in like a related way, I know, and this is after listening to Louis C.K. a lot, when I'm at like a concert and I see people recording it, I kind of want to vomit. And now, and I've done this in the past, and I know I'm going to insult a lot of people, when I'm at 4th of July and there's fireworks going on and people are taking pictures and videos, I kind of want to vomit.
Because nobody wants to watch the pictures
You're
or videos of your
never going to
fireworks.
look at the pictures or the videos.
Maybe they will. Do you know that?
They never will.
They never
and
will.
as Louis C.K. says, the real life is much higher resolution. Use your eyes, you'll enjoy it more. And in the same way, like, I think that logging that you went to a beach is totally fine, but if you're only going there for it, you can do whatever you want, but you should think about yourself.
I don't think that's the reason. Look, I was lucky enough to travel this year with a good friend of mine, but I am not against traveling alone. And if I was traveling alone, I would definitely take selfies, because I do want to catalog the places I've been and the things that I've seen.
Well, and that's the question. Does it matter if you're taking pictures at all, or they just don't want you taking pictures of yourself?
Selfies.
Because you take my pano option away and we're gonna have a problem. Because like, if you're on a beautiful beach, that's the best way to record it, and then you get these beautiful images, but maybe it is everything to them because they don't want you seeing your experience through a thumbnail.
Yeah, and I wonder who the Buzz Killington was. That, like, I'm just here to see the sea. I'm sick of all these hot women in bikinis taking photos of themselves.
In the
Be
south of
gone,
France.
harlots.
Yes, I know.
Why would you do that? So we agree they should be allowed to take the selfies, as much as I don't really love them.
I feel like this is an assault on liberty.
America.
America.